Hi guys, welcome. This is Linvizi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today I'm going to walk you guys through this broker which is called deriv broker, which you are seeing right here. This deriv broker. So this broker is a great broker and they have a similar or very special pairs which you can trade with them, and this pair is very effective pairs you can use to trade. These pairs are I've already gone through all this everything about this deriv broker, and I found out that they are a wonderful broker. I'm going to walk you guys through everything today, including broker, how everything you need to know about this broker, everything you need to know about the broker. We are going to go to Google and search everything so you guys can understand about this broker. So we'll be in this channel I'll be making a lot of strategy that I'll be using to trade this broker as well. So we are just starting fresh. So we are just starting together. That's why I intend to make this video so that we can make this make this deriv brokers together. So we can be making money on this deriv broker. I think they have boom and crash, volatility and jump, all those kind of pairs, that the pairs that they offer. So with this, and they are not calling price, they are calling index. They are calling indices. So let me first now I've already have an account with them. Now I've already create an account with them, which you can see right here. This is the deriv. So I've already create an account with them now. Let me now show you guys all the page that you can trade on this deriv broker. You can see the first one we have is the 1000 index. So they are not calling pairs, they are calling index, they are calling indices. So this you can see. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. So you can see these all the indices that they have. These are the indices that they have. So they have volatility, step index, range, jump, dex, backset, derived. So that's all the indices. All those ones they are from the forex market. But based on this derived, I'm going to show you guys everything because they have I think two, which is called the financial account and the synthetic account. So the synthetic account, they have all this volatility, step index, range break, jump index, and all those ones, and the derived brokers, and they have indices. So these are all the indices that we're going to have. So let's add everything up. You can see. So based on the volatility indices, they have volatility 10 index, volatility 25, 50, 75, 100, 10 1s, 25 1s, 55 1s, 75 1s, 100 1s, 150, 250, 200 and 300 based on the volatility indices. So that's all the volatility indices that you can trade using this deriv broker. And the next one is this stepping indices. So this is step index. There is only one in this it just step index. So the next one is the range break. We have range break 100 and range break 200. So the next one is the job. We have job 100, which we are seeing right there. We have job 10, 25, 50 and 100. So the next one is derived. No, the next one is going to be so the next one is going to be this boom and crash. This boom and crash indices. We have 1000 crash 1000, 500 crash 500, from 300 crash 300. So that's all the indices that they have based on the this PS. So I think so. Now why am I using why I figured that this pair, why am I using this pair? Why I figured that this pair is going to be attractive. You can see this pair. Let's go to Google so that I can show you guys why I decided to choose this pair. So now based on Google terms, based on Google search, this is what Google said about this broker. So Google said that this broker deriv is one of the world's largest online brokers, which offer CFDs and other derivative on forex, stock, indices, cryptocurrency, commodities, and deriv to millions of registered users across the globe. So which means that they are the largest online broker which you can be using. So let's go into a deep dive about this deriv broker. So now you can see from this deriv they have started they are started since, let's say, I think they are started by 2015, I think. So that is when they started out their journey. So and the journey of spamming more than 22 years, we have grown over 2.5 million customers worldwide. So which means I think they are starting in let's say 2000 and okay, let's use Google. So Google will tell us when they start their journey. So let me ask Google. So here it is. So I'm searching which year the deriv broker started. So I think there's the owner of this deriv broker and the binary band, because they have been called deriv. I think that was 2015. That was 2015. But in all those 1999 years when they started, they started with binary.com, which you are seeing right there. They started with this name, which called is binary.com. That is when they started with, and they have been started since 1995, which means that it's been let's say 22 years now that they have started their journey. So and based on it, they said that they have 2.5 million customers worldwide, which means that they have millions of customers worldwide which are using their platforms. So their values are the fabrics of our culture, which means that they have integrity, they have competence, and they have customer focus, teamwork, and all those kind of things. And they have their principle to framework for our decision is be really be fair, be transparent, be responsive to all of their customers. So that is what this deriv broker, and they have 2.5 billion plus traders worldwide which are using their broker, and the people that are using their broker have withdrawn more than 25 million plus US dollars, which means a lot of money need to be made in these deriv brokers. And then people have opened trades. People have 114 million plus trades in the last month, which means all those 114 million trades they was able to withdraw 25 million plus last month, and the total trade turnover is $10 billion, which means that all those 114 million people that trades that they open, they have turnover of 10 billion plus US dollar, which means there is a lot of money that need to be made here in this deriv broker. So I'll be walking you guys through step by step the strategy, everything you need to know about these deriv brokers. Okay, so now let's go back to the broker itself. So let's go back to the MT5 now. So let's go back to the MT5 now. So the thing is I think I will be using this broker. So I'll be using this broker, especially their static indices, their static indices, all the statistics, the boom and crash, the drop, volatility, all those kind of things that I'll be mastering them. I will be figure out the strategy, the best strategy you can use to trade them, and I will be posting everything in my channel. So that is, I'm putting all this in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on your push notification. Enter about news strategy for this broker, then you'll be surely notified, so you won't miss any damn thing about this deriv broker. So you need to turn on your push notification and subscribe. Okay, so subscribe right down below. And guys, so I think that this is guys, so we'll be making a lot of content about this broker, how you can trade this, and everything you need to know about this deriv brokers. Okay, so I think that is that for that. So thank you guys. So we'll see you in the next video when I'll be dropping the strategy you can use to trade with my I've already started. So I already started figure out these deriv brokers working. So I think that's all guys. Bye.